Hi, I'm Medic3D and I do a lot of 3D printing related stuff. Today I will tell you how much money I spent on 3D printing in 2022. It was $1,560. Let's check on what exactly. I will also talk about my earnings and plans for the future. This is a list of all the stuff I bought in 2022 in chronological order. I am from Poland and I use Polish zloty. For needs of this video I converted everything to dollars using exchange rate of 1 zloty is equal to 0.23 USD. There are 4 categories, each marked with different color. Consumable, marked with green, is the filament mostly, but also paints, resin, IPA and so on. Hardware, marked blue. Last year I only bought lead screw nuts for my old ANET printer. Support is money I gave to charity or for other creators, and in the tool category there are obviously all the tools related to 3D printing and video making. The biggest spending is almost $1,100 on tools. In this group the biggest contributors are GoPro and Anycubic Photon resin printer. In the consumable category, except of filament, the resin printing related items appeared. I spent $105 on almost 5 kilograms of plastic, which means that on average I pay $22 per kilo. This is quite high price, mostly because of buying fiber zinc and fiber smooth filaments from Fiberlogy. I bought the resin printer on Black Friday, and I only bought one bottle of resin for $40, and the rest of money is also related to resin printing, like IPA, filters and so on. On the third place is the support category. I reached my goal of locating at least 10% of all my spendings in this group. The majority of it was money for the humanitarian help for the victims of the war in Ukraine. I have serious concerns about the mental state of the world. Hopefully in 2023 we will be able to take a better course and reduce the suffering of the innocent. Now let's see in which shop I spent the most money. This year it is Allegro, for non-Polish viewers. Allegro is the most popular shopping platform in Poland and the largest e-commerce platform of European origin. I tend to buy there because I have a free shipping. Then comes Anycubic with the resin printer I already talked about, and the Pach is third. In 2021 I spent $655 on 3D printing, so more than a half less than last year. Hopefully this year I won't do any big purchases, so I can be back under $1,000. But a big Delta printer or a super fast Core XY printer is something that I would not despise. By the way, let me know in the comments what are you going to buy this year. I treat 3D printing as a hobby and I do not accept paid orders, I only do favors. Nevertheless, let's talk about money I was able to earn on 3D printing. First of all, I removed all the affiliate links to AliExpress from my videos, and by doing so I cut off my biggest revenue source. But some of you have somehow managed to click on my AliExpress affiliate links, and thanks to that my balance is currently at $10.42, which I won't be able to withdraw. I am below 1000 subscriptions on YouTube, so for 39 videos I made last year I earned $0. Just to clarify the common misconception, YouTube is not giving you an opportunity to get paid. They just allow you to upload your content to their servers and kindly share a portion of the ad revenue. I created 39 videos of total length 1 hour 46 minutes and 42 seconds, to give you a perspective how much work it is. Assuming that I spent only 10 minutes for every minute of the video created, I worked for free for about 18 hours. Here you can take a look at my YouTube statistics. I am almost at 1k subs, but in my case it means nothing. In order to be able to monetize my content I need almost double the watch time. I would like to point out that it's very nice of YouTube that they show commercials on my videos anyway. By the way, all my videos are also uploaded to Library, Odyssey and starting this year to Rumble. If you are using one of those platforms, feel free to watch my videos there. You can also find me on Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. I don't know how to quickly check how much library clicks I earned last year on Odyssey, but you can take a look at my stats. My Buy Me a Coffee and all other platforms brought me $0. I also took apart my ANET Crucified printer and sold some parts, and by doing so I was able to receive almost $50. I think it is quite fair to say that my total income related to 3D printing in 2022 was about $50. And to be clear, 3D printing is my hobby, so I am supposed to be only spending money on it. Here are also my Precise 3 Mark III's printer statistics, so I can compare them next year. It seems that last year I printed almost 2.5 kilometers of filament. As for the plans for this year, except for doing more some 3D prints, I also plan to do videos about my printers and upgrading them, especially about getting ready for resin printing. After reaching 1K subs on YouTube, I will do a small celebration giveaway. Stay tuned. I already have a few bigger projects in progress for this year. I would also like to try electroplating one of my 3D prints and try resin casting. Be sure to subscribe and you won't miss them. And a small request, play my videos in the background if you can, so I can reach that 4K hours watch time and monetize my YouTube videos as soon as possible. Obviously the most important thing is to enjoy watching my content and have fun 3D printing awesome stuff. Thanks for all your support, it really means a lot to me. Share your plans for this year in the comments. If you created a 3D model and would like me to print it, also use the comment section below. Watch my other videos that are right here waiting for you, and remember to have a splendid year 2023.